What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs. And on this episode today, we are going to answer the question, is the Chevy Avalanche a good truck? So stay tuned and let's jump right into it. Okay guys, what's going on? It's Ryan here. For those of you who are new to my channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I can sure use it, and it'll definitely help shoot this channel up to a whole new level, and that way we can afford to do new things with new project cars. So let us dive right into this episode. Is the Chevy Avalanche a good truck? And I have jotted down a few notes just for y'all. 1. The Chevy Avalanche is an amazing truck. Reason being, it has the space of a Suburban and the power and the utility of a truck. It is super versatile, and you have the ability to gain access to an 8-foot bed, actually 8 foot and a couple inches, I believe, size bed. You can fold down the rear seats and also drop the midgate, which will give you access to that full length of bed. It's super comfortable for your family to drive with, and it's just an all-around great truck. You have extra space for the material, which is the 8.2 foot bed. The midgate allows more storage space if needed, which is being said already. Rear seats fold down flat. The midgate folds down on top of the seats. The entire bed, like I said before, is 8.2 feet. You also have the capacity to carry the entire family comfortable. Now, if you're carrying your entire family, even in the back seat, then you wouldn't have access to that additional space by the midgate, because you do need the rear seats to be folded down, and then the midgate has to be dropped down. But still, you can carry a family super comfortable. Now, I personally have an Avalanche. For those of you who know me, also my channel has grown because of this Avalanche, so I'm forever grateful for purchasing that truck. But it's all around comfortable. Like, I sit comfortably in my back seat if I let someone else drive it. And no one ever has a complaint for being in the front or the back, because it's just as roomy. And it's just being off the ground at such a great height. It overall feels good. It feels like I'm driving a tank. Another extra thing, it has the saddlebags, which is awesome storage. Now, I know some other trucks come with the saddlebags as well, but I love the Chevy saddlebags. I think they're awesome. It also has locks on each side. I'm not familiar if the other trucks do. I'm sure they do probably. But I love the saddlebags on the trucks. You can store whatever it is that you want. In mine personally, I have some rope. I have some oil. I have some rope, some coolant, just some little stuff, a toolkit, jump starter, anything that I need just in case I get into a problem with my truck, or if I see someone else out in the road that needs help with something. I'm always ready and equipped. Now, my specific truck is a Z71, and the thing that I love about that truck, even though it's a Z71, I think I pay $2,200 or $2,600, somewhere around there for the truck. It comes with heated seats. It comes with dual powered seats. It also comes with adjustable foot pedals. It also comes with automatic fold-in mirrors. Now, not a lot of vehicles have these automatic fold-in mirrors. I think the luxury vehicles do. But even then, some luxury vehicles don't even have automatic fold-in mirrors, which is weird. Now, where I come from in Trinidad, every single vehicle has auto folding mirrors. Even the common cars, such as Toyota, Nissan, those little cars, they all come with automatic fold-in mirrors. I don't know why in the States they don't have that option. I have no idea why. But it's nice to see that this Avalanche, the Z71 model, I'm not sure about the other models, maybe they all have it, but mine specifically has the auto fold-in mirrors. It has the adjusted brake pedals, it has the sunroof, the dual power seats, dual heated seats, and honestly, I don't know what more could you want for that truck. That truck is an amazing truck. It does everything I needed to do. It gets me from point A to point B. So I would have to say, yes, the Chevy Avalanche is an amazing truck, and it's worth getting. If you are in the market for a Chevy Avalanche, please go out there, get one. I have a 2004 Chevy Avalanche. I love the older models. Now, if you get something above 07 and up, delete the AFM. active fuel management, there is a delete for that. Delete it, you'll be good. Now, every vehicle out there does have their set of problems. Nothing is perfect, and not one vehicle will be perfect. Even Toyotas, for example. Toyota Corollas may be the most reliable car out there, but them too have their issues. These are known to burn oil, which is why I replaced the piston rings and stuff in them. But Chevys have a known problem of, you know, burning coolant, and that's because of the intake manifold gaskets, stuff like that. They have problems with the service 4x4 due to the chassis ground wires. And every vehicle will have its issues, so nothing is perfect, and anything that's made by man is always going to be imperfect. But the Chevy Avalanche is a great vehicle. If you're in the market for one, consider picking one up. You can always watch all my videos. I have almost every repair video possible for that truck. And I'm sure there's tons more that I can do if I ever run into a problem with the Avalanche that is needed for a certain repair. You bet your bottom dollar I will be making a video on how to do it, because that is what got this channel to where it is today. So if you guys are in the market for a Chevy Avalanche, pick one up. It's a great truck, super reliable. I approve of this message. With that being said, I'll check you all later. Please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. But most importantly, hit the little like button, because it definitely helps with the YouTube algorithm. With that being said, guys, me, my shadow self, we say peace out, and I'll see you for the next one.